Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Fabio the World. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. So today is 7th December 2021. Many of you had your board exam today. Class 10 CBSE board paper, French, term 1 paper, objective type 2021-22. So today I am discussing the answers. This is the part 3 video. In the first part I did culture et civilisation, second grammar, and third writing section. Okay, now why am I doing this? First, I was asked to do so by some of my viewers. Second, the viewers can cross-check the answers. And third, the future batches can refer to these videos as past year question papers, right? And one small thing to be addressed before that, this question paper belongs to CBSE. It's just that I'm discussing the answers here. Okay, and I have tried my best to attempt this paper. It may happen one or two could be wrong, but still I have tried my best. Okay, so section B begins from question number 10. Writing section. Okay, so from question number 10 we have completing a story, right? So, quand j'étais petit, je dash mes vacances. So when I was small, I dash, like passing the vacations, right? And when the person is small, like the writer was small. Now, passing vacations, prolonged action in the past. So which tense? It would be imparfait, right? And passé is the correct verb. So, passé, conjugation with je. Question number 11. Mes vacances, près d'un camping, near the camp. C'est un bel endroit, it's a beautiful place, sur un grand terrain pittoresque. Pittoresque, I believe it means it is picturesque. So, near a beautiful place on a big terrain, a picturesque terrain, on tourner the dash paysage. Paysage, passages, masculine plural, so the adjective also need to be masculine plural. So, see, beau. Okay, question number 12. We have il y avait un petit dash aquatique. Petit park, a small aquatic park. So, park. Avec un toboggan, I'm not sure what that is. Pour les enfants, ok. Moi, je ne dash pas en profiter puisque nous habitons toujours. So, again, past action, prolonged action in the past, imparfait, subject je, conjugation pouvait. I cannot profit. Okay, the pouvait. Oh, sorry, I have written 12. 14. Pouvait, pas en profiter puisque nous habitons toujours. Pour les vacances, une petite maison. Située with double E because maison, feminine, singular. Okay, that's why extra E gets added up. So, situé. Also, one small thing that it may happen that the option written here may not match with the answer because I have written the whole question paper on the notebook. So, it may happen such mismatch, right? So, in that case, please consider these as my final answers. Okay, that would be better. Question number 15. À 100 mètres du camping. In 100 meters from camp, j'entendais les cris de joie des enfants. I heard the joyous cry, the joyful cries of the children pendant que nous jouions silencieusement during when we used to play silently. Or Scrabble. Scrabble is a word game, right? To form words. Avec mes dash. I would say pardon sounds the most suitable here. So, the pardon. Avec means pardon, like when the author was small, right? So it most probably it should be the parents. Donc, then, therefore, moi, me, je voulais toujours aller passer du temps, dash ses enfants dans le camping. So, I wanted to spend always my time, dash, these children, with these children, right? So, question number 16, C, avec. Okay, I hope the last line is visible. Mais, ça n'était jamais possible, but it was never possible. Okay. The first question of writing section is done. Now, second question is completing the message. So, complétez le message. Salut Maxime, hello Maxime, j'espère que tu vas bien et que tu projet scolaire dash. Bien. So, I hope that you are doing good and your school projects are also going well, are advancing well, right? So it should be avance, third person plural conjugation, right? So B for 17th. This is 17th, right? Yeah. Question number 17. Avance, bien. Then, cette année, le réveillon de Noël aura dash dans notre maison de campagne à Arles. So this year, the réveillon, the Christmas meal of Christmas will take place. Lieu. Okay? Will take place. Lieu. It means place. In our house in the countryside, in Arles must be some place. Ok. On va organiser une fête dash le thème rétro des années 70. So we are going to organize a party or a festival on the theme, right? On the theme retro theme of the years 70s. Okay. So on the theme Seoul. 19th B Seoul. Okay. Question number 20. Tony and Angela dash de Londres le 23e décembre. So, talking about the future, right? That they will be arriving. This thing from London in 23rd of December for celebrating Christmas, right? So, since there are two people, it becomes third person plural. So, arriveront is the correct one. D. Arriveront. 21st. Right. Alors, on compte sur toi aussi. So then, we count on you as well. Ce sera super dash on se rencontre tout. It will be great if we all will meet. Right? If. So if is what? C. Right. So question number 21, part A, C. 22. We have nous allons passer dash la soirée. Whole evening. Right. Soirée. Feminine singular. So tout should also be in the feminine singular form. So T-O-U-T-E is the correct answer. So for 22nd, it will be toot. Okay. Then, la soirée et le repas de Noël ensemble and the meal of Christmas together. J'attends ta réponse. I'll wait for your reply et je te souhaite de joyeuses fêtes and I wish to you happy festivals. À toi et tata dash. Like how do we wish? To you and your family, right? So à toi et à ta famille. So question number 23. Correct answer, famille. Okay. Mirai is writing to Maxim. Okay. So this concludes the answers for the writing section, section B. and now we are left with only section A, which will be discussed in my next video. So let's put a halt here. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Adventure and Above. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Adventure and Above. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Au revoir, n'oubliez pas encore l'enfoncer et l'amour.